Hi my beautiful mysteries, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing Zombies 2 Werewolf makeup tutorial. I actually started filming this a very long time ago, but between school and the quarantine I wasn't able to finish this when I planned, which again was a very long time ago. So I decided to just finish it now rather than lose all the progress that I made on it, because I was so close to the end and I did not want it to go to waste. And you know what? Better late than never. So I have switched locations to film the rest of this video and probably my videos going forward for a while. So I'm just going to show you what I had before, and then once that's finished I'm going to cut right back to here and I'm going to finish the tutorial. So please enjoy this second intro. Hi my beautiful mysteries, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Zombies 2 Werewolf makeup tutorial. Now I already did a Zombies 2 makeup tutorial for Addison, and now I'm going to be doing one for the Werewolves. And this one is going to be a lot more detailed than Addison, because Addison was pretty basic, you know, just natural look with a pop of color. But this one, nothing but color. So with that, let's jump into it. I've already done my foundation and concealer, I've powdered, I've done my brows, and I have put eye primer on my lids, and I put it all over my lids. I put it everywhere because this eyeshadow is going everywhere. So now the eyeshadow consists of two colors, gold and purple, but is very heavy on the purple. For my first color, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Elements eyeshadow palette. Now the good thing about this look is that you can use any purples you like. I personally think you should go with sparkly purples, but again, it is any purple you like. And with a brush, I'm just going to be picking up the color Hex Remedy, and I'm going to put that color all over the side of my eyes. It's going to be kind of angled. Oh yeah, this is perfect for the look. And it's gonna come to up around where your arch is. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that color and you're actually gonna bring it past your eyebrow and up to your hairline. And the color is actually gonna go past your eyebrow tail end. Like it's gonna end around there. You may need to touch up your eyebrow again after you do this. So I'm gonna do this step by step on each eye. I'm gonna do what I did to this eye on this eye and just go back and forth like that. I think that might make it go faster than just doing it on one eye and then moving it to the other. Okay, so now with another brush, I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Game of Thrones palette, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Dothraki. That's a nice gold shade. And I'm just gonna put that everywhere else. Alright, so the gold eyeshadow, you're not gonna go past your eyebrows, but you are gonna bring it up right to there. And picking up your other brush in that original purple color again, you're gonna dip into it, and you're gonna put the color right in between your eyebrow. Alright, so now there are some pretty sharp edges in some places, like in between your eyebrows and on the outside of your eyeshadow here. So I'm gonna take my concealer and I'm just gonna clean that up a little bit. Which also works if your purple has fallout and you need to cover it up. And I'm just gonna blend it all away. Okay, I have my sharp edges, and now I'm going to be taking an angled brush. And with my gold again, I'm gonna dip into it. And we're going to follow the line I made on the outside of my purple. The gold doesn't have to be sharp, the purple has to be sharp. And I'm gonna put that gold on my lower lash line. Okay, so once you've traced gold on the outside of your purple and you put it on your lower lash line, you're gonna move on to eyeliner. Now I'm gonna be taking a gold eyeliner, and this is not the usual gold I use. This is the Game of Thrones Lanister gold eyeliner. What happened was I lost my other gold eyeliner, but you're gonna wanna use a sparkly gold, something that's really gonna pop. And you're just gonna place that on your waterline. Okay, now with your favorite black eyeliner, you're just gonna line your lash line. And it's not gonna be super thin, but it's not gonna be super thick either. Okay, I have finished putting on my liner, and now I'm gonna move on to lashes. I think this time, instead of doing falsies, I'm just gonna take my Benefit They're Real Tinted Lash Primer and my favorite mascara, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara in the Diamond Edition. So first things first, I'm gonna curl my lashes real quick. And then I'm gonna coat them in my lash primer. Alright, I've primed my lashes, and now I'm gonna be moving on to coating my lashes in my favorite mascara. Okay, now that my lashes are done, I'm all done with my eyes. Now I'm gonna be moving on to the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna take my bronzer, and I'm only gonna be bronzing on the very sides of my forehead, very, very lightly. Tap, 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 tap. And just gently on the sides. Be careful of your eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna be moving on to highlighter. So I'm gonna take my favorite gold highlighter, the Wet n Wild Highlighting Illuminating Bar from the Mermaid collection. Now, I don't think they use highlighter on Disney Channel. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. But I am going to be putting on just a very nice gold highlighter, but it's going to be very lightly. It's just gonna be on my cheekbones. And it's just going to be there. I'm not going to be highlighting anywhere else. And now I'm going to be moving on to blush. And the back. That is as far as I got before all the craziness happened. Anyway, I was going to move on to blush. But before I do that, I just want to let you know that I forgot two things. One, as far as cleaning up your eyeshadow with concealer goes, if you don't like using that much product, I completely forgot about my tape trick. I did this in my wet smoky eye makeup tutorial, and I forget where else, if ever, but it's where you take a piece of tape and you put it on the side of your eye, not too hard because you don't want to be too tight, but first you put it on the back of your hand so that way it doesn't cling to your face and it hurts coming off, and then you take it off your hand, put it on, well, I'm not exactly sure how to describe this next part. You put it near your eye. Just do it as close as you can without it being in the actual eye. And that way you can do an eyeliner or you can do eyeshadow. It's a really cool trick. It works great. And I also did it in between my eyebrows right here, so that way I could get a nice clean line there. And as for my second thing, highlighting, I'm going to skip on my forehead and everywhere else, but I am going to put it on the tip of my nose. Well, I actually already did that. But moving on to blush, I'm taking my I Heart Revolution Peach and Glow Blush. And with my brush, I'm going to dip into the peach. I feel like that's too much blush. That is my curse. I have a heavy hand. I have apply too much of the blush. Blush is my best frenemy. Anyway, pretty much all of my face is done. Anyway, pretty much everything else is done except for the iconic claw marks on the side of your face. I think they use this side when they make it. So I'm going to take my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Viper. And they use purple for this. Now you could go with the tape trick again and tape off some triangles on your face. However, I think that's a little much to do for just some little triangles. So I'm just going to try to the best of my ability. And yep, there are my claw marks. I don't know if it's 2 or 3, I can't remember, but you can add as many as you like. So I have my claw marks on, which means I'm pretty much done with everything else. Now I just need to move on to lips. Revlon Shine Plum Velour in 850. I've had this for a while. I don't know if it's expired. It probably is. But like Sophia, I do not believe lipstick expires. Well, liquid lipstick, sure, but not solid like this. Unless, of course, you see mold on it or something, in which case throw it away immediately. Alright, now the lips for this look are a lot sparklier than what I got going on right now. Meaning it's not sparkly at all. So I'd add some sparkle and taking the Too Faced Melted Metallic Liquified Metallic Lip Transformer in Magic Metal Transformer. I don't know why I say transformer like that. I don't know what they use to get such sparkly lips, but I love it and I wish I had it. And with that, the very last step is to set my face with my Too Faced 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. Shake it up. And I'm done! Thank you so much for watching. It is so good to be back. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button, the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and please share the video. And a special shout out to a Royal Games 24 for requesting this video. Thank you so much. This is the first time I have ever gotten a request for a video. It means the world to me, and just thank you so much. This is for you. And please, please stay a beautiful mystery. Bye!